Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we'll look at another open source notification or toast library inside JavaScript. So if you want to show small little notification messages inside your application, this library will be very helpful for that purpose. So we will have 4 buttons out there to show you a very basic example of how to use this library. So we have the success toast notification. So you can see as I hit this button, a success notification appears right here on the top left screen, and it has a success icon and a message as well. Similarly, we have the info one, warning and error. So these toast notification messages can be very helpful inside your application if you perform any operation, if the user perform any operation such as submitting any form, if you want to show error messages or a small little notification message to the user that your operation has been completed. So in those situations, this library can be very helpful. So and now in this video, I will show you how to use this library right in the browser itself using CDN. So first of all, the name of this library is Toastr, Toastr. If you just write this on Google, the very first link which come, this is their official website, and it's an open source library, and it basically depends upon jQuery. You do need to include jQuery for this, and now to get started right here, I have this example. So I will just write this example from scratch. So let me delete everything. So I have already included the CDN for jQuery. You can see that because jQuery is required for this library. And also we have included the toaster min.js file. You can include this. You can see that both the CSS and the JavaScript ones are available on their website. You can copy these links, or you can simply write toaster cdn.js, and you just need to copy this CDN links and just inside your script tag paste it, and same for the CSS as well. We do need the CSS as well, so you can just include the toaster min.css file as well. So simply copy this link and inside your link tag simply paste it. So I've already pasted it, if you see. And for showing the icons, we are using another open source library which is FontAwesome, which is used for showing icons inside alert boxes. So FontAwesome is again an open source library for icons. So again, you can just write FontAwesome CDN.js, and you can get the CDN for FontAwesome. Simply copy this link right here and simply paste it. I've already pasted it like this. And now in the HTML, if you see, we have 4 buttons out there. We have success, info, warning, and error. If I click these buttons, nothing happens. We have given IDs to these buttons, which is success toast, info toast, warning toast, and error toast. And now I will write the custom JavaScript here to show these alert boxes. So now to show this, first of all, we need to configure the toaster library. So here basically you can just have some options how to show these notification messages, toast messages. So we have various options that you can configure. First option is for if you want to show the close button. This is again a Boolean parameter. So I do want to show the close button, which allow the user to close these notification messages. Then we have the second option, which is debug. So debug is not required, but the default value is false. And then we have various other options as well, which is newest. Let me first of all copy all these options and then show one by one how these options operate. Let me paste these. You can see we have all these options right here. So I will show you one by one how these options work. So first of all, now to show the toast message, we will basically write this function which will receive three arguments. First is the type of toast message, the second argument is the message that you want to show, and third is the title. So this function will be responsible for showing the toast message. And now one by one we will bind the event handler to the buttons. So we have given this ID here, success toast. So when the user click this button, we need to show the message here. So we'll call this show toast function, and this will be the success toast message. And here we will be giving the title here to the toast message, which is your changes has been saved. And the third argument is the icon that you want to show, which is success icon. Similarly, we will have three more buttons. This one for the info one, if you want to show the info message. So this will change from success to info. So let me just paste it. We will see this is now for info here. This is for warning, and this is for error message. Just close it. So now we need to show this, just make this method which is show toast message. If you now click these buttons, nothing will show because it is calling this function which is receiving these three arguments. So now to show the messages, we will declare an icon variable, and then we will make use of the switch operator and just pass the type parameter right here. And we will have, based upon this type value, we will have various cases. So the first case will be for the success. So here we are comparing here, if the value of type is success, in that case we need to show the success icon. So we will use the font awesome, and font awesome has these classes. So inside this I tag is used for showing the icon, and then we will break it. So we do need to close it. So this is the first case. If the toast message is success type, then we need to show the success icon. And in this way we will have three cases. The second case will be for the info. So in this way we will have three icons, which is for info, warning, and error. This is your switch statement. Based upon the type value, we will be showing these icons, which is coming from font awesome. And at last, we do need to add this line, icon plus the message, whatever message that you want to show, alongside with the title. So now if you hit the success, you will now see this message, whatever message that you have passed. Same goes for the info, warning, and error message. So if you want to change the location of these messages, so by default it appears on the top left position. If you want to change their position, now you can change these options. So the position option is appearing right here. You can see top left position is there. You can change this to top right. So now these alert boxes will appear on the right position, top right position. So if you want to show top bottom, so it will appear right in the center position. So if you want to show on the bottom right corner, So you can just see changing these options. So now you will see the messages will appear on the bottom right position. So you can choose your own location as well by changing this position class value. And then we have various properties here. If you want how many seconds you want to show this alert box. So show duration is set to be 300. All these times are in millisecond. So if you hit this box, I think it appears for 1 second. So I need to change this value, which is this value, which is the extended time. So this is thousands milliseconds. So this is 1 second. So if I change this to 2000 millisecond, so now the toast notification will appear for 2 seconds. You will see that. So in this way, you can change the amount of time each post notification message appears on the screen. So if you don't want to show the progress bar, you can set it to false. So now the progress bar will not be appearing. So it is recommended to show progress bar. So I will change it to true. If you don't want to show close button, you will change it to false. So now you can't close the post notification. So now this close button, if you don't want to show it, you will change this value to false. And these are actually the animation methods, how these notification messages appear on the screen, fade in, fade out, swing. So you can just check out their documentation. Various animation methods are available. So you can actually check out this website, and in the doc section you can, they do have the demo as well, which is hosted on this website. So you can just try this library. All these positions are supported, and so you can play with this tool to actually better understand this library. So this was the actual library for showing post notification messages on the browser. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website freemediatools.com, which is a open source website which contains lots of tools regarding video, image and audio. And I will be seeing you in the next video.